All right, guys, the next thing you're going to do this week is a percent of increase, decrease maze. And I'm going to explain to you how it works. So when you open up the assignment, it's going to look like this. All right. Now, if I can't see the whole thing right now in this view. I have it set to 100%. If you want to see the whole thing, you can put it at 50% or 66%. But then my eyes aren't so great. So then I can't see what these numbers are. So if you need to be able to read it, you can zoom out to 100% or even 200% to make it more readable if there's something that you can't read what it says. So you can see that this first number is, or this first box, this is the start box, is from 300 to 180. So I'm going to zoom back to 66. And see these arrows over here? What I need to do, and you need to do this work on a piece of paper, okay? You need to find the percent of increase or decrease from 300 to 180. So let's review how to do this. So in the first start box, we're going from 300 to 180. Well, first thing that I know, it's going to be a decrease, right? It's going to be a decrease because it's going down. Well, how did we find percent of change? We did the difference over the original equals percent over 100. Remember, we set up a percent proportion, and our percent proportion was the difference over the original. That's the starting amount equals percent over 100. If I am looking for the percent of decrease, what I would do for this problem, and this is the work that you should be writing down on your paper to upload so I can see it, is 300 minus 180 over the original number's 300 equals, we're looking for the percent, so x over 100. Now we're going to work this out. 300 minus 180 is 120 over 300 equals x over 100. How do we solve that? We cross multiply. 300 times x is 300x equals 120 times 100 is 12,000. That's a mental math problem because 1 times 120 is 120. We add 2 zeros. Divide both sides by 300. And I get x is, and again, this can be a mental math problem. I can cross off 2 zeros off of each of them. 120 divided by 3 is 40. So our answer is a 40% decrease. Now, I go back to my maze. Let me zoom out so I can see it a little better. The percent of change from 300 to 180 is a 40% decrease. So I'm going to take one of these arrows and I'm going to drag it right there. Now, you're going to do the box that you come to next. So we would do the percent of change from 50 to 92, and you're going to work your way adding arrows on the answer until you end up at this finish. It might go down here, over here, it could go anywhere. So after you're done with that, then you need to upload all of the work, hit submit on this assignment so I can grade it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.